Well, here we are on the boat again, Dale and I. We just got on and loaded some of the stuff on, and I told them every time I look down here when I open up the hatch and don't see the water on the floor, it's a good sign. But they've had some rain. We got some buckets full of water here. Dale checking out underneath the boat, make sure we don't have any ropes on board on our prop like we did last time. How's it look?
How many feet forward from the stern is that prop? It's so dark down there.
Oh, a ways.
How far?
5, 6 feet.
Okay.
Yeah, it is dark down there. Casting off the lines. All right. And here we go. We're going to try it again. Boat wasn't moving as fast as I thought it should, but that might have been because we were going against the current. And but I wanted to switch out my transmission fluid anyway, so got to do that. We'll see how that does. Transmission was a little warm, but when I flushed it, I might not have got all my flushing agent out of it. So we're going to try it again, but the thing I did on the heat exchanger seems to be working. It's not overheating.
Not leaking.
And it's not leaking. Thank you very much. He would have to point that out to the old guy. So here we are out on the Withlacoochee River. What a beautiful day. Going out the Withlacoochee River. Everything seems to be holding together real good.
Just about as far as we've made it for a while.
That's right. That's right. Knock on wood.
Knock on something.
Dale up front, undoing some anchor road that had gotten put in wrong in the locker and over the railing and all that good stuff.
About 2 miles of it.
2 miles, not to be exaggerating or anything. Thank you very much. And we just saw some dolphins, he said. Moving at probably 1 knot out there somewhere. Just a little bit of breeze. Sails are all trimmed up, looking good. Dirt daubers and everything. Nice to be out on the water again. Knit 1, pearl 2.
When was the last time that we rode in the logbook? Was it back?
I don't know. We kind of gave up there for a while. Nobody wants to hear about our breakdowns. Just another lazy day on the boat. I'm going to try out my new foghorn, see if we can get a rise out of Dale. Well, rats, he didn't jump overboard. Now if I can just get it to turn off.
Abandoned ship?
Abandoned ship, abandoned ship. We thought we saw some dolphins and they might be up here playing on the bow wake, but I don't see them. It's a beautiful day. Just not a whole lot of wind today, which to some people makes it a more beautiful day. I know my wife doesn't like it when it's windy. Oh, there they are in the back. They're coming in back of us. Slow it down. I thought I saw a baby. I guess they don't want to play with us. Okay. Yeah, looks like 3 of them there and a baby. Cool. Getting a rigged for the hurricane. We got one rig over there. We already got high tide over the seawall, which is unusual. That rig over there. The lines run for waiting for the hurricane to come to the seawall and over to a tree over there and over to a mooring over there and to the seawall over here. It's not going to be a very big hurricane.
Guaranteed now.
Yeah. There you go. Well, it's all tied up.